Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to present a new topic. This is light. What is light? What is its sources? And what is its effect on our health? And how will I manage these complications? Light is a constituent or light constitutes an important physical environment of human beings. Light constitutes an important physical environment of human beings. It is also a form and a source of energy. Light constitutes our physical environment and it is also a form and source of energy. We take energy or we receive energy from different sources of light. Natural source of light is sun. Sun is the richest and only one source of natural light in this universe. The visible rays of the sunlight constitutes the solar spectrum vigor or Benya Pinala. For carrying out the work efficiently with efficient vision, following daylight factors are essentials. Essentials daylight factors are, you see in this diagram, different rays of the light, Benya Pinala. Sufficient illumination of 15 to 20 foot candle, uniform distribution in the working place, absence of glare, absence of sharp shadows, a steadiness of source of light, white color of the light, contrast surrounding. Measurement of light, how you measure a light. The luminous intensity or power of artificial light is measured by a standard candle. The amount of light given off by the burning of a sperm wax candle burning 120 grains per hour. 120 grains per hour is candle is called 1 candle power. 1 candle power is 120 grains, burning of 120 grains per hour. And candle is the unit of measurement or measuring a standard light. The illumination received from the candle at a distance of 1 foot is known as 1 foot candle. Illumination is measured by an instrument called photometer. Photometer is instrument which is used for the measurement of illumination. Minimum of at least 6 feet candle illumination is required for clear visibility for performance of work. This is spermaceti wax which is used for preparation of candle. Photometer by which we measure the light. Other parameters for measurement is luminous flux expressed in lumens, illumination expressed as lux per unit area, luminance expressed as lombards. Natural light. Natural lighting depends upon the time of the day, season weather and atmospheric pollution. Natural lighting depends upon the time of the day, season, weather and atmospheric pollution. Measures to improve natural lighting. The building should be directed towards north and south. Construction of windows must be properly planned. Inside the room, the ceiling should be white, the upper portion of wall should be lighted color and lower portion should be slightly dark color. In this video, proper source of natural light is available. Artificial light or human-made light. Electric light is the best method for providing artificial illumination. The different type of electric light are filament lamp, fluorescent lamp, neon-filled sodium discharge lamp, mercury vapor lamp, cold cathode neon lamp, shadowless lamp. This is filament lamp. This is fluorescent lamp, different types. Neon-filled sodium discharge lamp, mercury vapor lamp, cold cathode neon lamp, shadowless light. Other sources of artificial light: gas burner, oil lamp, candle, acetylene gas. Health hazards of lighting: glaring, giving out of reflecting a strong or dazzling light, the glaring sun, burning of vision, discomfort and accident, and poor lighting result in nystagmus, headache, visual strain. Discomfort and accidents and poor lighting results in nystagmus, headache and visual strain. You see glaring of light in comparative view. Nystagmus, horizontal nystagmus, vertical nystagmus and rotatory nystagmus. Biological effects. Daylight causes degradation of bilirubin is now used as therapeutic measures among premature newborn with physiological jaundice. Stimulation of melanin synthesis and synthesis of vitamin D in the skin. This is appearance of a baby in physiological jaundice. In this slide, you see different colors of light. Thank for you watching. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. You also visit nutanhomeopathy.com, and my new publication is Sure Success series on homeopathic pharmacy, which contains 1 or 2 marks, 5 marks, 10 marks question answer and main point for oral and practical examination. This book is very useful for exam going students in homeopathy, nursing or pharmacy. Thank you.